In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up AT&T BGY320 IP Passthrough. So first of all, of course, you would like to connect your computer or phone to the AT&T BGY network. So first of all, if you're not familiar, this is the rear of the BGY or AT&T BGY320. And basically the yellow ports are normal LAN Ethernet ports. The blue port normally a faster LAN Ethernet ports. It's often used for your own router. The red one, as an example, is basically fiber/ONT connection, not the ports for your router. And normally there is the sticker that shows the device access code, and of course for or to access this settings page, usually it will be the IP address that is shown right there, which is 192.168.1.254. This is an example, just another picture of it if you want to. So the first thing that you would like to do is basically connect an Ethernet cable from one of the BGY 320 LAN ports, usually the blue or yellow one, Ethernet ports, to basically the WAN or WAN/internet port on your router. Then you would like to go to the URL of, as we said before, 192.168.1.254, and you will have to log in using the credentials that you'll find in the rear behind your router. If you are not connected with an Ethernet cable, if you are connected using Ethernet cable, you can just go and type admin, it should let you through. So once you do that, of course, you can just go and click on firewall, as you can see, then click on IP Passthrough. Then on the allocation mode, just make sure that you choose Passthrough, and for the pass-through mode you will have to choose DHCPS fixed. And of course, for the pass-through fixed MAC address, just choose your router from there and you should be good to go. So this is an example, just another picture for you so you can see it correctly. And of course, once you're done with that, just go and hit the save button, and once you're done with that, you should be good to go. It should be set up. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.